Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you'll be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. This is an English for grade 5 and we are learning unit number 12 and its title is Over-the-Counter Medicines. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So our today's lecture, lecture number 6, we will learn about reading and comprehension. My dear students and my dear teacher, before in English for grade 5 on page number 67 and unit number Son of Motherland, unit number 9 you have already learned. Apply while reading strategies to interact with the text to locate or scan specific information. How we can locate? I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Today we are going to learn further scan, locate the text for specific information. This is our today's lecture. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah number 8, verse number 33, and Allah would not punish them while they seek forgiveness. Okay, this verse is showing the mercy of Almighty Allah, that how Allah Almighty giving mercy to His human beings, that Allah Almighty is saying that when you will seek forgiveness, so definitely I will forgive you, I will not punish you. So this is also a message for us. If someone is seeking forgiveness, if someone is apologizing on their mistakes, so we should also forgive. We should not punish anyone. Okay, my dear students, this is a beautiful verse and it is giving us a clear message. Pre-reading questions are there. So where do we go when we feel sick? Okay, my dear students, where do we go when we feel sick, and what do we take when we have fever? Okay, if you have fever, so what you would take and where you would go? Good job, excellent work. So let's start. Okay, open book, page number 97, unit 12, over-the-counter medicines. We are going to start our unit. So next page you have to open, page number 98. We are going to start our first paragraph. Medicines. Medicines are chemical compounds that is used to cure or prevent disease. When we have a headache, we can use OTC to help us, and over-the-counter OTC medicine is sometimes called a non-prescription medicine. This is because we do not need a note from a doctor to get it. We can buy it from any pharmacy. My dear students, non-prescription medicine means that we don't need any doctor, that any doctor give us note. They will decide and they will give us any medicine. So OTC medicine is called non-prescription medicine. We can get it from anywhere, from any pharmacy. Pharmacy, a shop or hospital dispensary where medicines are sold. The next is, here is a question for you. What is the full form of OTC? Good job. Yes, OTC means over-the-counter medicine. Got it? Over-the-counter. This is the complete form. The next is, there are many kinds of over-the-counter drugs. We see ads for them on the TV all the time. The most common non-prescription drugs are pain relievers. They will help us if we have a headache, sore muscles, or aching joints. These drugs can also help to reduce fever, stop coughing and runny nose. Okay, my dear students, whenever we are feeling sick, when we are feeling headache, so we use such type of medicine. These are called pain relievers. Okay, they get us free from pain and misery. Reliever means something that lessens pain, and prescription, advised medicine by any doctor. So this is called prescription. Okay, when we got a note from any doctor, so this is called prescribed medicine. Is it clear, my dear students? So here is a question: do we need doctor's prescription to get OTC medicines? Which OTC are most common? Which OTC are most common, my dear students? Yes, you're right, that we have already learned that pain relievers are most common OTC medicine. So my dear students, there's time to move towards an activity. Yes, my dear teacher, you have to get students into pairs. Say them to read the text and scan specific information from it and share it with your classmates. So yes, you have to scan, mean you have to locate the text keenly, and then you will find specific information and share with class. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. Excellent work. So what you have to do on page number 99, question number 1, you have to do question number part A, B and C in your notebook. So my dear teacher, this is an individual activity in their notebook and they have to perform individually in their class. Pause the video and get this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job. So what's your homework? You have to read the remaining text of this unit and try to locate specific information. So my dear students, my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it provided to your students in printed form. So what we have learned? Today we learned about how to locate the text for specific information, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed a lot. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.